Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Haefner. Welcome to Sports Psych in a Minute, your weekly resource for insights and tips into the psychological side of equestrian sport. This week I want to talk about self-awareness. There are very few other concepts in which people so uniformly agree upon in terms of its importance and necessity in our riding lives. Whether you're looking to perform at the highest levels of competition, whether you want to be an effective rider, whether you want to be an effective trainer, effective teacher, this idea of having self-awareness is something that very few people disagree about. It's a challenging concept, though, because for many different people, self-awareness actually means different things. Some people, when they talk about self-awareness, they might be referring to or talking about body awareness. Or they might be referring and talking to about the awareness of their actions and behaviors. Some people might be talking about an awareness of their emotional reactions and responses to situations. Some people might be talking about how they think about things, or any combination of those things. The other thing which is a challenge about self-awareness is a lot of times you hear it used as a thing that is you have or you don't have, that it's something that you have done, you've attained self-awareness or you're not. People describe themselves as being self-aware or describe other people as not being self-aware. What I want to leave you with to ponder this week are two thoughts about self-awareness. One is the idea that self-awareness might be on a continuum. We really don't know what we don't know, so in that sense, as self-awareness grows, we can always and continually become more self-aware. But just because there are things about ourselves that we don't know doesn't mean that we don't have some awareness of many of the things that we experience in other parts of our life in terms of our thoughts and our behaviors and our feelings and how they relate to our horsemanship. So that idea of a continuum with an encouragement to always see it as something that you can commit to and do more of. The other thing I'd like you to think about is sort of think about self-awareness as a verb rather than a noun. And in that sense, what I'd like to highlight is the connection between curiosity and a lifelong learning attitude with that of self-awareness. If we can maintain that essence of curiosity about ourselves, about how we feel, act, think, behave in context with our horses, and how understanding the ways we do that may open ourselves to differences or changes in those behaviors which increase our effectiveness in our training or in our riding or in our teaching, then we're going to be one step ahead of where we were before without that same level of engagement and curiosity.